Today in math, I'm going to teach you a new game called Shasima. This game comes from Kenya, which is a country on the continent of Africa. Shasima means a body of water, and you'll see that there's a puddle of water in the middle of the game. They also imagine that the pieces that the players use are little bugs that can run across the water quickly, and you'll see that the bugs need to go in the water in order to win the game. I'm going to show you how to make your game board now. Here are the things you'll need. You'll need a round bowl, a pencil, a piece of paper. If you have a marker, you can use that. And then you'll need something to help you draw straight lines. It could be a ruler, or you can use a notebook. First, you take your bowl and you trace it to make a circle. After you make your circle, you need to draw some lines across it. Again, you can use a ruler if you have one, but don't worry if you don't. You can just use a notebook to help you draw lines. First, you draw one right across the middle of the circle. Then you draw one crossing that line. After that, you draw another one here, and a last one right here. Now that I have all my lines in the circle, I'm going to draw some lines to connect them here on the edges. After drawing all my lines, it's time for me to draw my puddle of water here in the middle. Now I need to do some erasing. First, I erase my circle from the outside. I just want the lines that I drew connecting those points. After I erase my circle, I will also need to erase the lines that go in the middle in the puddle, because we don't want all those lines crossing in the middle. We just want it to look like a puddle of water. Now, if you have a marker, you can use that marker to trace over the lines, and it will make your game a little bit easier to see. If you don't have a marker, don't worry. You can still play the game. And if you'd like to, you could decorate all around the edges of your game board to make it really pretty. After you've traced all your lines, you're almost ready to play. You just need some pieces. For the pieces, you can use different types of materials. You could use beans, you could use coins, you could use pieces of pasta, whatever you have in the house. Now, my daughters, Natalia and Gabriella, are going to help us see how to play. They're each going to pick what pieces they would like to have. Natalia's taking the dimes, and Gabriella's taking the pieces of macaroni. They first need to start putting their pieces in the starting position. This is always the same. You put them on the 3 points closest to you on the board. Now, when they take a turn, they can move their piece along the straight lines. They cannot move more than one space. They cannot share a point with another piece, and they can't jump. The first one to get 3 in a row wins. Gabriella's going to go first. Oh, Gabriella, you can't jump over your piece. There you go. Nice work. Now it's Natalia's turn. Gabriella will go next. Now Natalia. Now Gabriella. If Gabriella looks carefully, she can win. She got 3 in a row right across the middle. Now they'll pull their pieces back and they'll play again. Enjoy the game.
Bye.